This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Vidi Payne. Lovely 2-story traditional home offering updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile and hardwood flooring throughout property. It has an attached garage, workshop, storage shed, and pool storage. Master bedroom has dressing area. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is available for rental as of February 1, 2022. Utilities are gas, electric, water, and sewage. Tenant is responsible to maintain and upkeep the pool. For more information, review the details below.